everybody, this is Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and I wanted to come to you with a unboxing. I'm super excited. A company called MACTING, M-A-C-T-I-N-G, contacted me and asked me if I would review one of their products. So yeah, they are an Amazon company. They gave me a couple things to pick from, and I chose this because I felt like I can never have too many of these, and I want you guys to know what you can be looking out for on Amazon as well. So, I took this over, and based on the box itself, okay, can you see that it is something flat? It is not a diamond painting, but yeah, let's dig into this and see what we got here. I've taped the sides. So let me try to, it's my handy dandy little thing I got off of AliExpress, which I have ordered a couple, so hopefully I will be able to use them in a giveaway. So, oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Is this not beautiful? It is a bag. So, get a free gift. We are a small company with a big dream, which is to let more families in the world decorate with our designs. In the journey of achieving our big dream, your opinion will be vital. So basically they're just asking to make sure I give an honest review. So here we go. I have not seen one of these before. These are like a light pad platform tray, like a little stand, and it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notches right here. Let me see if I can angle it. Whoop. There. So 6 notches that you can pick how to stand it up, and then you can place your light pad based on the different angles. So that's kind of cool. So we'll put that aside. Also came with 2 of these big blue clips. Woohoo! So those are fun. We'll get to this in just a minute. It is a light pad, guys. That's what the big thing is in here. It is supposed to be an A3, which an A3 is roughly a 30 by 40 size. You can see it has right here, goes up to 42 millimeters, or no, 42 centimeters. On this side it goes up to 30, so it's a 30 by 42. It's pretty awesome. What I like is it also has these little pads on the back. Nice and protected the way it came. It does have a wire that sticks directly into this. It has the MACTING logo right here at the top. It does plug into your computer or USB port into the wall if you have an adapter, and then it does plug in right here. Now, one thing I have noticed is you do need to be careful when it plugs directly into the light pad, as sometimes this gets very loose. So just kind of want to show you. You can stick this on here. Seems like it's pretty sturdy. I will have to do a video of me actually trying it out. But then you can do your diamond painting. Let's see, I have one right here. You can stick right here. course, you'll want to do a smaller diamond painting if you're going to use the tray. But that's also what the clips are for as well, to help you keep your diamond painting attached. So, all right, so let's see what else came in this review. Is this beautiful bag. It is like a felt-like bag. It has a Velcro to keep it closed, but then it also has a zipper. The zipper opens like a portfolio, so it goes all the way down the side, which is nice. And then you can put your light pad in here, and it's going to protect it because it is this like felt-like fabric, so it's going to protect from scratches inside if you are traveling with it. And then this is added security to keep it closed. What I really like is down here, it has the logo, MACTING. And then these come off. So these are removable, which is kind of nice if you want to keep tools in here or you want to keep your plug. But then if you have your light pad and you're working on the desk and then you want to remove this and have this on the desk with you while you're working to pull out your drills or your tools, this might be a good one for your drills. And then right here is one that maybe you can put your tools in or your scissors. Like I have a pair of scissors right here. Those fit in there nicely. Let me kind of measure this for us. So this is, yeah, like a 10.5 inch by 6.25 inch pocket with a little snap to keep it closed. And this is the one with the zipper. Okay. And of course you can put them the other way if you want. Like that. And then let's see how big this pouch is. This pouch is 10.5 by 10. So yeah, this is amazing. You can put your light pad in here. You can put your tools in here. You can put your drills. And then you have this nice satchel. You know, also, I just thought of this. This probably is meant to fit this. Duh. Sometimes I can be a little dense. Let's see if it does fit it. Well, it kind of does. If you're careful, you can fit that in there so you're not scratching everything up. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this. I have the link down below. This can be found on Amazon. They have this size in an A4, which is half the size of this. So like an 8.5 by 11 would fit on it. They have it in A3. It's an LED light pad with the carrying bag. And it does dim, so it has different settings. Let's try that out and see. Sorry, that was my husband sneezing in the background. He is okay though. I did not hear anybody falling on the floor, so we should be all good. Let me pull this out. Well, you know what? This might fit in here. Oh, same thing. All right, so let's plug this in. I have my computer right here. The nice thing is I can plug it in next to my computer if I'm watching Netflix or Hulu, or, you know, you get this on Amazon Prime. All right, so you hit that button. That's number 1. Number 2. Well, it says it's dimmable brightness. Am I not pressing it? I'm going to have to investigate that. So, let me try this again. Put that in there. I'll have to investigate. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. But there you go. It could be my computer isn't plugged in. There. Sorry, there's one. Might be my computer. Maybe it's not getting enough power. Who knows? All right, I'm going to check this out. I will get back to you in a future video, but I'm really excited to be able to work with this and see what we can do from here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more unboxings, more videos, more lives, feel free to hit the subscription button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I wish you guys well. Have an amazing day, and until next time, be blessed. Hey everyone, just a quick update. I did not want to have MACTing have a bad name. I just wanted to show the dimmable feature. I did figure it out. It pays to read the directions. You actually hold the button down until you get the brightness that you want, and then eventually it goes up and down based on your touch. So yeah, there you go. So it's not the standard hit to get the different varieties. You just need to hold it down. So I just wanted to let you guys know I did not receive a defective model. That's just how this light pad works. So until next time, be blessed. I hope you take care and check out MACTing because they have some great products. Until next time, bye-bye.